Hi, my name is Heather Ford, also known as Traffic Ticket Lady, and today I would like to talk a little bit about why you shouldn't just pay a speeding ticket, why it can matter more than you think. So a lot of people just like, why would I want to fight it? Why would I be bothered going to court? I just pay it and move on. The most important thing about a speeding ticket is that it's a moving violation, and a moving violation, for better or for worse, can make your insurance go up. And for some people, it can be kind of significant. I was on Reddit a little while back, and somebody was like, I paid a speeding ticket, and all of a sudden the binder that was issued was for $1,000 more than the insurance company was willing to offer just before the payment of the ticket. Another thing, people think, well, I just paid the ticket, no big deal. I didn't plead guilty or anything like that. The reality is, paying a ticket is the same thing as pleading guilty. It'll have the same effect if you walked into the courtroom and said, "Judge, I'm guilty, let me throw myself on the mercy of the court." It has functionally no different. So when you pay that ticket online, without having done anything to get it removed, that will hit your record, right? The other issue, it really comes up for a lot of people when it comes to like employment issues. So you might say, hey, I don't work a job today where I have to drive. No big deal. Who cares? But things can change. I've seen where people have positions where maybe they use their own car for work, and but because that's part of their duties, they might decide to check their driving record. The other thing that has happened is that someone who previously was using their own work vehicle, the company decided to issue people company cars. And so all of a sudden, a ticket that they paid 2 years ago is an issue. This also for students. You never know where your first career is going to take you. What are the benefits included? I've had, again, where somebody was offered a corporate vehicle as part of their benefits, and they paid a ticket a couple of years ago, and all of a sudden it's a problem. The much bigger issue when at that point is that it's not the easiest thing to undo. It really just depends on your court. There's different mechanisms to try to get something like that off your record. One way is to go to the court, request to reopen the matter. That's completely up to the judge. Another mechanism is an expungement, which unfortunately is an expensive and slow process. Hopefully it wouldn't come to that point. Reopening would be a much better option. An expungement is going to cost you at least $500-$600 just in fees, and then it takes a while. You have to petition the court. At this point, they have to serve the local law enforcement and check. You got to get background checks, and basically you got to hope that no one objects to the expungement. All of that can take months and months and months. And so if somebody was looking to hire you and wanted you to work for them in the next 3 or 4 weeks, that would be a huge problem. It would take us a while to resolve it. So I always encourage people, if you get these tickets like speeding ticket, red light, stop sign, anything like that, is going to be a moving violation. So that to distinguish that from something like no registration, headlight, general equipment, those are things that are associated with the car but are not something that based on you driving the car, and so they are treated a little bit different. Usually our goal in these cases, while we always want a dismissal, what we're really focusing on is to make sure that this ticket does not have a significant impact on you, and our main mechanism from doing that is getting that ticket reduced to a non-moving violation. So it's the type of thing, if you're like, I don't know if this is moving or not, I'm always happy to help people. You can shoot me a text at 504-535-LADY. That's also 504-535-5239. I'm happy to help in any way I can, give you a little bit of pointers about maybe what's going on if you have some questions. So, like I said, again, my name is Heather Ford. I'm also known as the Traffic Ticket Lady. If you have any questions about tickets, or want a free consultation about how to minimize the impact on your record, happy to do that anytime. Thanks, and have a good day.